students of class ninth. Student, today we will understand about session 2, more on IT applications. The student, in early year we have studied about what is the impact of IT and what is the use of the IT means technology in different fields in different sector. So we find here now today, I mean, with the passage of time, information communication technology, that is a, you can say, ICT, it is a called also, has proved to be the essential and basic step in the development of the modern society. In many countries, the learning of concepts of related to IT considered as the important part of the education. Till date, many technologies have been introduced. The impact of information technology is still prevalent. IT has the widespread scope in the various fields, such as you will be introduced with this topic what I am going to tell you here, like education, healthcare, governance, design, manufacturing, banking, business. In uh, each domain, the role of IT is a different and vast. In the present era, the students should have good technology skills so that they can achieve success in every sphere of life. So let's now hear the explore about the IT in education. Children, nowadays it has been found that the teachers use computers, that is electronic media, to teach the students. The following are the benefits of the ICT, or you can say IT, in education. We can count in finger, like as the use of computers in the education domain has simplified the learning of students. By using the information communication technologies, teachers of primary and secondary schools have the made the learning of the students interactive and enjoyable. Generally, students find images and pictorial representation of the concept to be more interesting as they compared to the theoretical knowledge. So, therefore, teachers explain the complex topics in the simplified manner by using images, videos, and simultaneously. The use of IT in education has brought positive impact on the success of the student from the various perspectives, such as knowledge, comprehension, practical and presentation skills. The student, as we find, IT has a great role in the academic function as a such a school or management, as a such a manage for the software and such its products to available to run the administrative activities, or you can say academic functions. So here in the class we can find here the such a teaching ads. Teaching ads means such a like of the you can see the projector, and such a easy way we can use easy way these machine or these helps or aids, you can say. A teacher can create the interesting video and visual presentations related to the topic or subject what they teach to you, which will keep the learners engaged and give them as a greater understanding of the all the concepts. The student, as we can find, suppose if you want to get the information related to any topic, so you can see and hear the all the things as a lively. So this will make you more comfortable and more understandable format. The student, as we can find also in the IT in the classroom, as I told you, like it was the related to the aids, but here it is related to the as a in the classroom also. In the classroom as a smart board presentations, interactive sessions, to see the relevant videos as sharing such informations to solving the questions and concept, making the education more attractive and interactive, okay, for the both here the teacher it can be and the students here. Online education as it is a very and very compatible and very convenience for the person, it you can say not only for the students but for the other person here, okay. So as nowadays, if you have any kind of problem related to your topic, you can explore by the internet. So here as a such a option given in your book, children, you can find as a online education. Online education is a, such a kind of the education sitting at your home, and you can get the educations related to any degree or any here the topic. So degree, as I am telling you degree here, so you want to do such a any kind of the degree or related to the certificate course, or as any kind of the course you want to crash course you can say कि if you want to do such a kind of the courses, you can do by the online sitting at your home. So if you it is a no matter from where you are, okay, means corner of the world can attend that as a class for any other part of the world. So here is a such a great facility for the student as well as for the other people here. The teacher, as you can get the teachers and trainer via the internet, use WBT. So here as we find the learning management system student, that is called the LMS, is a web based technology, means this type of the technology to monitor and give the plan, give the as a you can say such a content, as such a notes, you can find by this management system here. It provides to instructor with the here such a way. And children, this type of the system widely used in many countries to manage the school system. Student and teacher can register himself or herself on the official website to access the LMS. LMS here it is related to the such a kind services related to the as a educational purpose. The student here such a you can say facilities given to us for getting the any kind of the as a program, any kind of the given by LMS. So here straight we can get any time and anywhere the facilities, these facilities you can submit your queries and get the replies also, like in the form of the comment. You can do the comments also for your as a questions. So here student can participate also in this type of the system, as a student participate and like in a circular curricular activities like via video or via such a audio. So here parents also can monitor on the progress of their children as using this technology. The student, as we find here ki IT has a great impact on these fields also, means IT learning tools, such a kind of the such a tool, such a device or such a aids by which you can get or access the information or as a education. Here the various online services, like many apps nowadays, you can find YouTube, as you are getting the educations by the school, as a school providing the such a video to you by link, and you see that videos to relate it to the different subject here. The as in the this situation, as this is the you can say pandemics situation, student, as you are using this app, YouTube, and the other app also we use for the getting the information like a Kindle books, G Suite for education, etc. These are the some type of the apps which provide the variety of types of the varieties of the, you can say, learning tools to the students and the educators too. So here on the fingertip, so you can get to the your education, and you get to the as a knowledge. So this is here the some important and some very famous type of the as a websites and such a channel where you can get the as a knowledge here. So now student, we see here some as using the devices and such a type of nowadays the modern era, and the people use the different types of the devices to get the information and education. So here student, as we talked about here, the related to the education sector of the IT role. Okay, now we find here the role of IT in the business. Children's, we find here the IT's role has a great means the IT role has a great in the business also. So we find here now the business person uses the such types of the technology to run their business quickly and easy way. So here the like such a concept related to the e-commerce through many business transactions can be done online using the internet facility. So here the online operations, what, why the businessman, one question is arise in our mind ki why the people use the as a IT, or means the such a tools, such a facility of by providing the internet in the business, because as we know ki it reduce our time and as a it work. So here it like a, such a kind of the labor, if you want, if you use the facility of the IT given in the business, like here it also reduces the cost in areas like labor, document preparation, telephoning, and mail preparation. So if you use, as you want purchase the something, or you want to purchase or sell anything to any person, so here as at a sitting at your home, at a sitting that place, you can sell or you can purchase the thing, as you know ki as buy online, as online here process. So here we find the such a types of the facility in the business, like related to the as e-reservations, e-booking, and reservation related to bus, railways, airline tickets. So at sitting at your home, you can reserve your ticket. Okay, you can confirm your ticket. So communication now is the most important part of the business also. It maintain the relationship between the customer and supplier, I mean you can say as a seller. So this can be done through engaging teams through video conference, reviewing public sentiment on the social media and industry forums, and using online survey to go get customer feedback. So means not you cannot run your business smoothly. Okay, you are selling and you don't see anything, means you have to look everything around around your business, means you have to maintain the all the dignity of your business. You have to maintain the relations with the customer. You have to care about the sentiment of the as a customer, and you have to give the feedback also to the customer, and you have to get also the feedback of, by the customer here. So student, you can say कि in the business term of the using the IT, so we have to consider the all the aspect related to the business. Means customer relationship management system helps business understanding the customer behavior. Suppose you purchase anything by online, okay, and you use that and you find ki this is not good, and online providing such a type of the products that is not good, so you will give the feedback to the as a seller. Okay, and that online website, that feedback will send to the as a manufacturer. The manufacturer will understand the fault of the in the manufacturing, and then again he correct that the fault or that mistake, and this way they produce the good thing after that. So it means after the getting the as a feedback, the business man or the seller, they uh, clear the mistakes or as a understanding. So here student IT also provide to maintain the such a record to related to the payroll calculation, budgeting, sales analysis, financial forecasting, managing and maintaining the stocks, improving their productivity and outputs. So we find here the uses of the technology in the business. It improve and run the business smoothly. And now after that we find the IT in the marketing also. So marketing means such a kind of the various, I mean various types of the products we can see by the online or by the such a on the TV as a for the advertise their products or the services. So here the advertisement, hey, the advertisement children come in many forms on, okay, like in a form of the audio video, and it can be on a commercial purpose, like you can hear na, on the TV, you can hear on the see the TV and hear the on the radio as a for the commercially. And some time we get the information related to the business on their website, on their as a channel also here promoting, and as a uh, push up to the here the children. We find here such a way and such a, you can say, facility by which we can promote and promote our products and services by using the internet as a many as a website, and many businessmen do this. Because if you want to sell sell any product to the person, so if you sell it manually, so then you can sell only some person. But if you sell on the online, so at the same time you can sell the lakhs of products at the same time. This is here the good opportunity and good way of making money here. So as we can find also the uses the IT in banking. The children, we find here the IT play great role in the banking sector also. Internet banking means any user with a personal computer and a browser can get connected to his bank's website to perform any of the virtual banking functions. In internet banking system, the bank has a centralized database that is a web enabled. All the services that the bank has permitted on the internet are displayed in menu. Any service means can be selected, and further interaction is dedicated by the nature of service here. So we find here कि it emerges as such a productivity and services by the internet for the reference of the banking system here. So we find here now this such facility as related to the paying of electricity bills, telephone bills, taxes, rent, etc. has become very easy for us. Means at sitting home we can pay these all as a bills, as we can transfer the money from one account to another account with very ease here. And now with the help of IT, banks are offering the following services for their customer, like a credit card, debit card, ATMs, e-check, electronic fund transfer, mobile banking, telephone banking, internet banking, electronic data interchange here. So these are the some facilities given um, to the bank. Means as a bank has such a system by which we can do the various tasks related to the banking system. The student, I think you will study more about what I told you by my concept, by my thought. I told you, I revealed you about the student. I think you will study more about it. So thank you, student. Thank you for watching this video.